In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound for Google Messages on your Samsung device running One UI 8.5. Now recently, Samsung has started phasing out the Samsung Messages app on newer devices and switching to Google Messages as the default. So if you want to customize your message notification sound, here's how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the app drawer and find the Google Messages app. Press and hold the app icon, then tap the info icon eye. Next, tap on Notifications. Now, if you don't see the notification categories option at the bottom, don't worry, you just need to enable it. Go back to Settings. Tap on Notifications, then go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and turn on Manage Notification Categories for each app. Once that's enabled, go back. Again, press and hold the Google Messages app icon, tap the info icon, and go to Notifications. Now you'll see Notification Categories. Tap on Incoming Messages. Then tap Sound. Here, you'll see a list of all available notification sounds. Just select the one you like, and you're all set. If you want to use a custom sound, make sure you've already added your audio file to the Notifications folder on your device. To check how to add downloaded sound to Notification folder, please check I button or link in the description. And that's it. That's how you change the notification sound for Google Messages on Samsung One UI 8.5. Thanks for watching.